How to invite someone or anyone on LinkedIn to your event. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to invite anyone on LinkedIn to your event. So first thing we do is we go to LinkedIn. Now let's just choose this person right here called Heather Louise Vazzi. I love this person. She is motivational and author and also inspirational person. Now what if I want to invite her to my event? I should click here on those three dots and now click personalize invite. And now right right here you should write why you are inviting her. You should write something good so she can accept. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.